Hello guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make money trading the synthetic market using 4 simple steps: finding the structure, the action, the confirmation, and then the entry. So let's go. So first thing first, let's analyze the market. So to analyze the market, first thing on your Google platform, you have to go to Derive Trading View. We're going to click on the first one right here, this one right here. So it's going to give you that beautiful interface of where you're going to analyze the markets. So basically, currently I am going to I took a trade yesterday which was on jump 10. So I'm going to be analyzing jump 10, not that market. So first thing, we want to go to the higher time frame, which is the 24 hours time frame. 24 hours time frame is the daily time frame, as we all know. So the first thing we want to check is we want to check the direction of the market. The direction of the market here, as you can see, is a buy market. So you might be asking, how is it a buy market? It's a buy market because the initial market was below and the current state of the market is above, as you can see here. As you can see, this is below and then this is above. You can just check here, below and above. So that means that the market is buying. That's the basic thing. If the current market is below and this is above, it means it's a selling market basically. So we want to focus our attention strictly around this point. Strictly around this point right here. To find our entry, the best thing to do is to draw a trend line. So you draw a trend line from this low, because this low was actually the low, the initial low that happened before all of this market. So we're starting to draw our analysis from that low, and then to test the next low, which is here. This is the next low before this one. So as far as we are drawing our trend line, we drag it all the way up. As you can see here, something happened here. We are going to drag it over it because that's not where the market is at. The market is currently here. And what we are chasing to go closer to the market. And like I said the other time, this is H1. This is this is D1, which is 24 hours. So what we want to do is we are trying to go to the lower time frame for our entry, because higher time frame is for analysis, lower time frames are for entry. So we've drawn that trend line. Then the next thing we want to do is to go to the next time frame to see what is really happening here. So basically, the first thing you should have in mind is once you enter the markets, what you are looking for is you are getting the direction of the market. The second thing is you are looking for action. The third thing is you are looking for confirmation. Then the fourth thing is you are actually entering the market and setting your stop loss and your take profits. So once you have that understanding, that is all. This is like the list of the things you need. Those 4 things are like very key. Once you are able to get those 4 things, I'm not sure you need any other thing based on my strategy. So you've been able to draw that line, and then the next thing is you're just going to drag it all the way to make sure that you find an action. There are several actions we look out for in the market, but the one that is kind of being glaring here is breakout and retest. So for breakout and retest, we are going to patiently wait for the market. And for the fact that it was initially on higher time frame, we got the breakout on higher time frame without the retest. This is basically an illustration of a proper breakout and retest. So we have here now, as you can see, this blue ranging line, blue trending line, I mean. This blue trending line right here is actually trending as a buy. It's bullish. And as you can notice, around this point, it broke out. And when it broke out, it went back to the trend line, which is, if I'm to illustrate this is the point of breakout right here. This white button right here is the point of breakout. But the point of retest is this one. I'm just going to be turning to the green color. The point of retest is this point. So this is the point where we can say this is the entire thing that is happening around here is called breakout and retest, because it broke out. This point is the point of breakout and this is the point of retest. So what we're just going to be looking out for is we're going to be looking out to go to find another point where we can actually enter the market. So to enter the market, we are going to keep going to. So on here now, I'm just going to go on 1 hour. So on 1 hour, as you can see, the market broke out but didn't retest. So what I'm going to be looking out for is for a retest back to this particular trend line right here. For the market to come back to the particular trend line right here, is going to buy, is coming to this point. So for that, since we have that understanding, so the next thing you want to do is to also draw the next trend line, because once you have to know that trend lines are in continuation. So once you draw the first one, you want to draw the second one, which is you draw the second one. The second one says you draw after that point that the market, the market touches the first trend line, which is it touches it around this point. You're going to pick it up from there and then drag all the way down. And then, as you can see right here, the market also broke out and they give us a particular action that happened here, and then boom, look at how the markets. But when I saw this market, I actually pick it up from here, pick it up from around here, and then my TP was here, and this was it. I try to play safe, but I know that market is still going to go up here, but I try to play safe and take my first TP around here. So this is how you make money in the market. And look at that, boom, like it's just spiked all the way up, as you can see right here. So that is how you enter a forex market. So if you are willing to start trading derivative and you don't have an account, click on the link in my comments or in my bio, and then start trading. To start trading derivative market is very, very wild. It's one of the wildest and the nicest. You get the best spread from derivative. So if you want to start trading, so you just go to the link below or the link in my bio to start trading now. Do that ASAP. Or you want to learn the strategy more and more and more, because there's so many things to learn, you can actually reach out to me or enter my Telegram group, where there are so many activities going on there. I drop trades on that platform once in a while, so you can do that as well. So peace out for now. Bye.